Hi everyone. Today I'm going to demo a roof estimate tool that uses the power of AI to generate roof estimates in seconds. Now, there are some other tools out there that will provide an estimate in several hours, but ours will provide it in seconds. And there's other tools that have narrow service areas. Ours has nationwide coverage. And other tools might have a restrictive user interface, but ours can be integrated with any website, form, or social media platform. So let's jump into the demo. We'll start with this very simple demo form here, where I'll just enter my name, email, phone number optionally. I'll skip that for now. And we will put in an address. This is just a random house that I picked off of Google Maps. Submit that. And what's going to happen is the automation engine is going to run, and the email I put in should receive an estimate within just a few seconds. And there it is. Boom. Your free estimate. Let me expand the window here a little bit. Hi, thanks for reaching out to ABC Roofing, which is the demo roofing company I'm using right now. And here we are. That structure has provided me 3 recommended products and their estimated prices for a roof replacement. Boom. And if you'd like to discuss anything, we have contact information here for the roofing company and just a really great email. So let's try another estimate here. Refresh the form just again to see how fast this is. Skip. This time let's try somewhere in New Jersey. Again, just a random address I pulled off of Google Maps. Let's do that. Submit. There we are. And once again, let's go back here. Click on refresh. Give it just a few seconds. Boom. There we go. And thank you for reaching out. Once again, an AI generated email. And for this property, we can see slightly different prices, which makes sense because it seems this property has a smaller square footage. It takes into account the square footage, the pitch, the number of roof sections, all that, the price of the products, all that information is taken into account, all done with the AI engine in the background. Additionally, and this is where it gets really cool, we can integrate with things like Facebook lead gen forms. So you could run an ad campaign for, let's say, your roof company, and here you can just have a lead form pop up for the ad. So the user clicks an ad, lead form pops up, and the cool thing is it can pre-populate with the information from a person's Facebook account, for example. So their email and name and everything would already be pre-populated. They might have to add their address if it's not part of their profile, and then just click next. Once again, all the information will be sent to the automation, and a estimate would be generated for that customer. So that's the demo.